I'm going to show you how you can create a sound and use this for your TikTok posts. Okay, straight into it. So first, what you need to do is find a video of a sound that you like and that you would like to use and post that to your TikTok profile. You have to make the video public to be able to do this. So, for example, I've got this video here on my profile of a bird singing. So I would like to use this bird singing noise on my videos. So first thing what I do is I need to click on the video, and then in the bottom right corner you can see my profile picture is spinning around and around, so click on that one. Next, you can add this sound to your favorites, so click on add to favorites. Then if I get back out of this video, back to my profile, so I'm back in my profile, and then if I click on the button next to where it says edit profile, I'll click on that little button and this will take me to my favorites. So I don't have any favorite videos, but if I click on sounds, you can see the top one is new bird singing. So if I click on that one, you'll see that's the sound from the previous video. So I can now use this sound on any other video that I would like to post to my profile. And that's all it takes to create and use a sound for your TikTok posts. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.